What if I told you Earth once had rings like Saturn? Not millions of years ago, but just 800 years ago. And the evidence might still be raining down on us today. This isn't mythology. It's a real hypothesis gaining momentum among astrophysicists. And it starts with one of the most violent cosmic events in human history, the moon-sized impact that created the Chicxulub crater. But this time, on a much smaller and eerily recent scale. In 1222 CE, multiple cultures across the globe recorded a bizarre celestial event, described as a dragon swallowing the sky, followed by weeks of strange glowing nights. Historians long dismissed it as poetic astronomy. But then came the Greenland ice cores. Scientists drilling through layers of ancient ice discovered an unusually thick band of micro-meteorites and platinum anomalies, all dating to exactly that year. Which raised a wild question. Did Earth get hit by something big enough to kick debris into orbit, but not big enough to destroy us? According to researchers at Purdue University, yes, it's possible a minor asteroid impact or near miss scattered debris around our planet, forming temporary rings of rock and dust that could have lasted for decades, just like Saturn's rings, but far messier. And if true, those rings might have altered Earth's climate, dimmed sunlight, and even caused mass crop failures, potentially explaining medieval famines in Europe and Asia that had no clear cause. Think about that. For decades, Earth may have had glowing trails of orbiting dust visible in the night sky. We could have been a second Saturn. But if Earth had rings, where did they go? That's the thing about temporary rings. They're fragile. Over time, our atmosphere pulls them down. Bit by bit, that cosmic debris would have fallen as meteor showers, spreading platinum and iridium into the soil. Some scientists believe we're still finding the traces today in ancient sediments, ice cores, and the writings of monks and stargazers who described the skies going wrong. So how come this isn't taught in school? Because we're only now connecting the dots. Earth doesn't usually have rings, but cosmic collisions are rare, not impossible. And when they happen, the results can echo across centuries, changing not just the planet, but our history. We still don't fully know what happened in 1222. But new satellites are now scanning the planet for micro-debris patterns, looking for the fingerprints of ancient orbital rings. And here's the kicker. Earth might not be done. There are dozens of near-Earth asteroids today that could create a similar effect. Short-lived rings made of ash, ice, or rock. Not world-ending impacts, but enough to wrap the Earth in a dusty halo again. Imagine going outside one night and seeing a faint glowing ring across the sky, like a whisper from the cosmos, reminding us just how wild and unpredictable our solar system really is. Rings are beautiful when they're around Saturn, but around Earth, they're a warning from space.